Question number 5. Haley has a 4 inches wide by 7 inches high photograph she wants to have enlarged. She's putting the enlargement in a photo album that has the space for a picture 10.5 inches high. How wide should her enlargement be? And so in the solution, we're going to write the ratio in the order width first, height second. So width to height is 4 to 7 because it was 4 inches wide by 7 inches high. So remember, we're writing the ratio with the width first. It's important to note that so that you write both ratios in the same order. You can't write the first one with the width first and the second one with the height first. Okay, that just doesn't work. You have to write them in the same order. The height of the enlarged photo is to be 10.5 inches. So if we call the width W and solve the proportion, it'll be 4 to 7 equals W to 10.5. So notice width first, length, or height second, width first, height second. And so rewriting as 4 over 7 equals W over 10.5. And cross multiplying, W would equal the product of the 4 and the 10.5 divided by 7, which is what we have here, 4 times 10.5 divided by 7. And that works out to be 6 inches. So the enlargement should be 6 inches wide, so the correct answer is A up here. Now a little different way to write this than this if you're not used to writing, changing from two equal ratios to proportion like this. Another way to write it is the first number over the first number. So we could write it as 4 over the W equals, and then the second number over the second number equals 7 over the 10.5. And if you're not used to cross multiplying like I showed here, then here's a little different way to write it. Again, the two numbers in the diagonal that you know, those two multiply to the same thing that these two do. So 7 times W would be 7W, and that would equal the product of the 4 and the 10.5. So 4 times the 10.5. Now I'm trying to, I want to solve for W, so I need to get rid of the 7. So we're going to divide both sides by 7 to isolate for W. So the 7's divide out, and notice that this is exactly the same calculation that's right here. So it certainly has to give you 6 inches again.